Piggy bank account in here. We are May 21st, 2023, sitting at 236 followers. 18th of June 2023, we just reached 300 subs. My hair is a mess. Peace. July 20th, 2023, I did it. I resigned from my full-time job with the big salaries and everything. We're doing it. We're going full-time, 1 year, YouTube, marathon in real life as well. Can't wait to look back at this video in a year and get it. Let's go. I'm in bed, just woke up, still have my mouthpiece. Just woke up to 500 followers. It's September 28. Tomorrow's September 29. My 30th birthday. What's up? November 24 of 2023. We are about to reach 700 followers on YouTube. 1,000 followers. I'm fresh out the shower. I don't have any clothes on. I just wanted to capture the moment of the real reaction. We are January 24 of 2024. I started my channel on February 10th of 2023. We're 1,000 followers. Let's go. These days have been amazing. Life has been smiling to me. And this will be a really great channel recap of way to 1,000 followers. Thank you so much, everyone.